Hi guys, welcome to another cooking video. This week we're gonna make again something special, but we're gonna make something that it's a traditional recipe here in Quebec, Canada, which my mother used to make, my grandmother, and I'm sure her mother also. It's been something that we do in Quebec, I think, for hundreds and hundreds of years. That's something that I'm certain of. And you gotta see, it's a great dessert. It's something that it's quite fast to do, and it's a nice change from a cake or something like that. So you're gonna see, it's something very fast and very unique. For those of you who have a sweet tooth, you're gonna fall over, that's for sure, for this one. So it's called the Pouding pudding. Well, to be frank, there's no real word to describe this dessert in English, because the real and the only word is Pouding Chômeur, because, like I said, it's something that we do in Quebec for a long time, but it's the French Canadian, because I have to remind you, we're not French from France, we're Canadian, but we speak French. That's a whole other thing. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and please try it. You're gonna, like I said, you're gonna fall over it, that's for sure. You're gonna think it's the best thing you ever tasted. I'm sure you're gonna like it, guys, so I hope you're gonna try it, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next cooking video. Ciao, take care.